Here it is, lunchtime. Boy, am I glad my Wanderer awning is a one-man gig to put up. Here's a quick little snack that I call cheeky rolls. It kicks off with a little bit of pork mince, and it's real easy. Just put it in a stainless steel bowl or something like that, and then I like to use a bag of coleslaw, about half and half, doesn't really matter. Hit it hard with the soy sauce. Soy sauce is always good whenever you got some meat, and then give it a good old stir. Don't be frightened to get your fingers into it. And now I've got my campfire cast iron pan, which is one of the best things I've got, honestly. Well, with a big hit of olive oil, it'll just spread the heat beautifully, and then I'm going to fry up this mixture. And I'll tell you what, I'm getting hungry already. It's starting to smell pretty good. Once you've got the mix fried up so that the meat's nicely cooked, you just roll it up in some spring roll pastry. Put a little bit of water on it to damp it down, and there you go. Look, spring roll pastry is just fantastic stuff. You can use it for all sorts of things. And once you've fried it up, there you go. How good does that look? A little bit of sweet chilli sauce, and you're ready to go. Okay, start to finish, just under 10 minutes, really easy, and absolutely delicious. And why do I call them cheeky rolls? Well, they've got a lot more meat in them than a Chico roll, that's for sure. But also, it's not a roll. It always comes out square, especially when I cook it. Good luck to you guys. Enjoy your lunch on the side of the road. I know I will.